Hello everyone, I am Sarah, this is Cece, and welcome to my channel. Today we are back in the beautiful Decorah, Iowa, and we're about to go on this beautiful, beautiful hike while we talk about some things and I deliver a message from the Galactic Federation. If you are new here, I had a spiritual awakening at the end of 2014 brought on by a traumatic event, and then 6 years later, in 2020, I started having, oh my gosh, these bugs are so bad. But anyway, 6 years later in 2020, I started having communications, dreams, telepathic messages with ETs, and they actually told me through telepathic knowing and feeling that I was their family. They left so I can ground myself to this planet, and then they were back full force in 2023, and in that time they actually invited me via dream state into the Galactic Federation as an ambassador. Of course I said yes. So my mission here is to bring forth information, to film, and to live the best possible life I can here on this planet, in hopes that it will inspire someone, maybe you, to do the same. I don't know about any of you other fellow Skywatchers out there, but it has been so busy out. Not that they're getting like super big or anything in particular, but the fact that they're staying consistent for me, and they're giving me several flashes, several different little power-ups, just being really funny and full of life. They're definitely keeping me entertained because, to be honest, I am out there for about 3.5-4 hours some nights at a time, and it can get boring. There's moments where it can get very boring just because there's usually a wait between 10:15 and 11. They're out there, but they're super dim. Right now they're actually filling that gap with some awesome flashes, shooting stars, swimmers, streakers, little power-ups, just to keep me out there and keep me entertained, because they really know I'm impatient and I will go inside. I love it when we stumble upon some beautiful, beautiful scenery. Oh my gosh, it is so awesome. Probably can't tell too much right now, but I'm gonna get some beautiful shots, of course. While I was talking, we stumbled on this little creek. I love it so much. Of course, Cece's over there making noise. She probably hears somebody or something. But look how beautiful this is. So anyway, I'll get on to delivering the message. We actually wrote this message together, myself and the Galactic Federation, probably about a month and a half ago, maybe. We originally wrote it for a podcast, but I'm going to say it on here because I don't think anyone has actually seen that podcast. Side note, I do not like doing podcasts at all, so you probably won't see me do many, if not any, anymore. I get anxiety, I feel pressure, I feel like I can't share my story the way I want to, and I honestly do not like being put on the spot and sharing information to people that just don't care or want to ridicule me, you know, in the comments. or whatever. I just like being able to share on my own terms and connect with you guys on YouTube like our own little family, you know? So on to the message, and this pertains to what's happening now and what is coming in the future. I'm gonna say it word for word, and then I'm gonna add a few things on my own. So here it goes. This is not the time to panic. This is a call to action, a call to wake up and look at what's around you. There's so much happening beneath the surface, so many patterns, so many shifts, truths awaiting to be seen by those who are willing to open their eyes. I tripped almost. Awareness is your power. When you choose to observe instead of fear, you begin to understand. And when you understand, you can rise above. This is the moment to elevate your consciousness, to question what you were taught, to think deeper, to observe what's going on around you. You are not here to be overwhelmed. You are here to awaken. So breathe, stay grounded, start meditating, and stay observant. Remember, this world is a stage and you are an actor. Everything you are seeing is part of a script. Let's break this down. Let's break this message down a little bit. This is my own take on it. So when they said this is not the time to panic, they're referring to, of course, what's going on right now in the world, all the darkness, all the truths being revealed and released, the spiritual warfare that's going on around us at all times, the war overseas, all of it. And of course, they're talking about the future as well and what's to come. The spiritual warfare coming in forms of viruses like we're seeing now, and there will be more, unfortunately. We are actually in the depths of everything right now, and you have to understand that the darkness is falling. They are no longer in control, so they're doing whatever they can to hang on. They know the light is winning, and more people are waking up every day, opening their eyes and seeing the actual truth. There are many distractions happening right now. Don't get caught up in all of it. Shut the news off and get into nature and ground yourself. Meditate, breathe, and stay calm. Calm is power. Awareness is power. None of this is to put fear or instill fear into anyone. It's to prepare you. Remember, the darkness wants you in fear every day. Every second of your life, they want you to have anxiety and depression and to be so worried that you're distracted from the truth. Don't get caught up in it, guys. So let me know in the comments if you're seeing the truth, if you're seeing past the illusions and the lies and the misinformation that's going on around us. Anywho, get out there, start raising your vibration, raising your frequency, start seeing past the illusions and see the light. The key to this life, to your success, to your happiness is love. Take this from someone who was practically near death in sadness, drugs, and alcohol. That's what they want. That's what they want, the darkness. It tried to take me. It tried to take me, but God wouldn't allow it. Our star family would not allow it. And I'm so grateful. But once you find that love, you're capable of anything. So just remember, you are so loved, you are so supported, and you are guided every single day, even if you don't feel it. But anyway, let's get on to this beautiful hike. Thank you for allowing me to get that off my chest, because I know that can be hard for people to maybe believe or understand, but I don't fault you for it, just because maybe, you haven't obviously had that experience. The experiences I've had were very, very real, and they changed my life. God, guys, the bugs are so bad here. Next time, I just don't even remember like them being this bad, honestly. But next time I'm definitely going to be getting some or wearing some bug spray for sure. I have it, I just didn't wear it. I don't like to wear it if I don't have to. But it is so pretty. Just woods all around. And we're headed up to see a patch of pine trees. I love those pine trees. I'm going to show you. I am so glad there's not a lot of people out here for Cece and I's sake. We just ran into some. Cece just went right past them. I'm so glad. But look at the beauty. And of course I'm out of breath because this is actually a steep part. But guys, just get out into nature, experience all of this. I know I say that all the time. That's because I want you to do it. Our star family wants you to do it. But we are headed to this big old patch of pine trees. And of course, I'm gonna get the drone out too, so you guys can see. Cece's going crazy. I have that little leash on her still, just because if someone should happen to come up, I can grab the leash really quick. Because of course she's gonna alert me. She's gonna bark right away. This hike is not as long and strenuous as the Effigy Mounds one, so I'm grateful for that. But I'm glad you guys are here. I'm glad you guys are watching the videos and getting to experience some of the things I experience on a daily life. That's always nice to bring you along. And being able to share on my own terms, that is what I like the most. And Cece's out here, she's having a great time. And it is actually such a beautiful day. We've gotten rid of some of the bugs now. They were just really bad by the water. So now there's really not a lot out. And I'm very happy. Of course, there's still some that want to get in my face. But we are going to this big open area. And I really honestly cannot believe how beautiful Northeast Iowa is. And if you don't know, I'm actually a medical traveler, so I'm not from here. And this may be temporary. I did think about moving to Northeast Iowa. I don't know. Sorry, I'm out of breath. But this is temporary for me. Could be temporary for me. But I have traveled many places in the Midwest. They keep me in the Midwest for some reason, just because I think my girls are here in the Midwest, and I would feel if I was even more further away from them, I would not feel the best at all. I love them so much. It was us three for a very, very long time in our life, and now they're grown up, you know, and I'm on my own with Cece, of course. And I just had to let them get their wings and fly, you know. And I also had to grow up as well. So it's been good for all of us. Look at this machine right here. It's all rusted and old. It's old farming equipment, I'm sure. Cece's just having a great time. I'm having a great time just talking with you all and just getting to experience this beauty. We're almost to those pine trees. Look at that. Northeast Iowa, guys. My gosh. And you can see Here, we'll get a little closer. Look at all of them. And of course, I'll insert some drone footage too for you guys. So we are going into the entrance of the pine trees. One of the entrances. There's Cece waiting for me. She's a good pup, except for when she's around other people or strangers or dogs. Oh, this is so beautiful. Bigfoot structure. That's what I call it. It's probably man-made. I'm sure it is. But yeah, it's so beautiful here. I can just spend many, many hours here. Of course, it's better in person. It's better in person. But seeing the clouds through this like little break in the trees, it's magical. But like I said, it's way better in person, of course. It's definitely a little bit more chilly in here, but we're going to spend some time in here and explore this beautiful, beautiful scenery. Cece just loves it. I love it. Actually, this kind of goes a little ways. I forgot that it... Cece. So I'll show you some of the beauty that we're about to see. It's so amazing. Come on. And they made these kind of, they mow certain areas so you can have a walkway. It's so nice. Definitely going to be flying the drone for you guys just to see, but let's walk a little bit further. Not too far because I totally forgot to bring myself water and I'm getting a little thirsty. And of course I don't want to get lost. But anyway, look at those clouds. It's windy, but it's a nice wind with the sun. I love it. Just beauty all over the place. Well, guys, we are headed back down to the car. I know it was a short video, but we really, myself and the Galactic Federation, really wanted to get that message out to you guys. I know that you probably wanted to hear more about the future, but it's really important not to focus on the future, and it's really important to focus on the present. I know you probably hear that a lot, but it's very true. Focus on the present and get out into nature, of course. Keep looking up to the sky, and yeah, come back to my channel. Make sure you're watching all the amazing videos and you're staying tuned for more videos, longer videos, I promise. Like more camping videos. I'm excited for what's coming. We're going to be traveling, myself and Cece, and you guys are coming with me. So please enjoy this video. And let me know if you liked the little clips of the Skywatch I had the other night. Actually, last night, I believe it was the 12th, and today's the 13th. So yeah, let me know how you like those sky watching videos. And guys, do not forget, if you made it this far, of course you have to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. But anyway, thank you for watching, and thank you for being here. Peace. I just stepped out of the car, and look, they're already here. There's also a flasher somewhere. It's May 13th. Wow. Oh my goodness. It's incredible. Did you see that one at the top? There's that flasher. Incredible. So we have all these. And that flasher was there yesterday too, last night, for at least 40 minutes. Maybe 35, 40. It just stayed in that spot. I bet it's going to do the same. See, look it. It was lower yesterday. This is crazy. So many. It's about 9:48. We're in the south sky. Oh, there it is. Oh, there may be two. Unless it switched spots, I don't know. Nope, it's down there. Oh, there is two. There is two. Oh my gosh. That's incredible. And I wasn't going to come out tonight. But I decided to, because this is my third night coming out in a row, because the skies have been cooperating. Finally. And I just couldn't help it. I had to come out. Oh, look. Oh my gosh. That's insane. The other one's still going. See, that flash is still in the same spot. Incredible. Oh, thank you, shooting star. Look, they just keep coming. Look, that flasher is still there. I cannot believe how many there are right now. This is crazy. Way more than yesterday or last night. Look at that flasher. Incredible. Obviously, guys, that's not a plane, or else it would have moved. Not a satellite. They don't do that. Oh my gosh, something just flew very low above my head. That was awesome. Crazy. There's that flasher. So right now it's been over 6 minutes and he's still in the same spot. Like I said yesterday, he stayed right above the water tower for 40 minutes. It could have been 40 minutes. The whole time I was filming. There it is again. Oh my gosh. I am trying to be still because I'm outside standing, no tripod, of course, you can tell. But I just did yoga for 45 minutes and my arms are shaky. So I apologize. And I'm super excited about that flasher. It's incredible. My gosh. 8 minutes. I mean, I can't hold the camera up this long though. I mean, longer than probably 10 minutes. I will try. Wow. The flasher is still here. I only took like a few second break just to lean on my car really quick. And of course, these are still streaming down. Flasher's still there. Here comes a plane somewhere. right by that flasher. It's still going off. Oh, look at this one. Wow, beautiful power up, my friend. Still there. Flash is still there. I know I keep saying that. I'm just excited. Wow. That's in the northeast. I swear to you guys, tonight, everywhere I look, there is movement. Oh, wow. I don't know what that was. A little streaker. Just saw a flash coming off that little, wait, that little guy up there. Nice. That's why I say, guys, those little ones, those are crafts. We'll watch it get bigger for us, my friend. It may not. Yeah, I don't even know where it went now. Crazy. I knew I saw something. My gosh.